Hot. Hot. It's really hot.
The desert surface can reach 160 degrees, yet just raising it by a centimeter can reduce it by 20 degrees. That's how shovel-snouted lizards get their tap dancing steps. But apparently this still doesn't satisfy its cooling needs. This is where the shovel snout comes in. By digging just 20 centimeters down, it can enjoy a sand bath at 90 degrees. This spider wasp is digging in the sand for a different purpose. It's searching for food. Hey, you got sand on my face. Though only the size of a pin, it can quickly dig out 2 buckets of sand until... The golden wheel spider is much larger than the wasp, but rarely wins in a fight. The wasp's sting can paralyze the spider, but spider's big mandibles aren't just for show. In the gladiator arena dug out in the sand, a battle is about to begin. First, there's a death spiral. The spider, pretending to be weak, attempts a sneak attack. The wasp cautiously engages once more. Both adversaries embrace tightly, executing a 360-degree aerial flip. Upon landing, the spider uses its long legs to grab onto the wasp. Another 360-degree flip sends the wasp flying away, and itself seizes the moment to escape. To deter the wasp from pursuing, it even pulls out its unique move. The wasp is left dumbfounded and gives up. Heh heh, can't catch me, can you? You scoundrel, weren't you cooling off in your burrow? How dare you try a sneak attack?